Okay, here's a demonstration of the RoombaComm serial interface. There's a little Roomba, this little serial connector, and the cable that goes to the PowerBook. And here's just, it's connected, it's turned on, we've got it running. You can play some notes now. We can turn on and off the vacuum cleaner. And we can move it around like a little tank. Move it slowly, in slow circles, go very fast. Can spin in place at various speeds. All within the limit of your serial cable length. And that's it.